Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Taking a quick look here again at SEI, seeing what's going on. This coin's actually exuding some really good positive behavior. It was able to establish a recent higher high, contrary to Bitcoin establishing a lower high. So it's a really good little inverse pairing. Not to say it cannot, or it won't sell off because Bitcoin does, because we're seeing that right now. But the general consensus here is that it's fairly bullish, and we're going to double check to confirm that is still the case. So if you're new to the channel, not a financial advisor, hope you can learn a lot. Jumping over to our Discord if you want to learn a whole lot more. We got some awesome traders in there. Same thing with our premium group here too. Took some nice profits from Solana, 60% in 7 days. Chainlink in 15, that was a short. And then of course, if you exclude the current trades that are still open, Solana 110% in 20 days. We had 2 Solana longs open. One from 93, one from 84, I think it was. So either way, good stuff there. Considering a trade with SEI, so let's go ahead and double check and see if it's worthwhile. So on the daily time frame, we want to double check a few key factors, such as the moving averages, just kind of make sure we're on the right side of tracks, which we are. We're above the 50 and the 20. That's a very, very good sign. Having that is extremely beneficial, knowing that we are still ascending positively. We can see good higher highs and higher lows here being formed, and that's a very good, healthy continuation. You could also argue that we are in the midst of a bear flag, and the price is going to shoot down. There's a lot of different little scenarios you could say, but the truth is, until that trend line breaks this more recent trend line here, I think we should presume the price will continue to increase. Okay, so I'm just going to pull the trend line out there so we can pay closer attention to that. Just kind of see generally where we're at here. So take a look at the stochastic RSI. We can see we're still swinging upwards. We got the traditional RSI doing very well for itself, and same thing with money flow index being fairly high. This is all positive contributing factors. In fact, having an MFI above the RSI on the daily is fairly unusual, but it's beneficial, really letting us know we got money flowing to this coin. Larger probability the price can sustain its current price point. Now, take a look at MACD, still converging for the last 5 days straight. So these are all positive contributing factors. So it's really easy to summarize the daily time frame is extremely bullish on this coin. While we are seeing a pullback right now, a red candle forming from the daily here starting within the last hour, I wouldn't say we need to be super concerned with that just yet. We'll double check a few other things here, but for the most part, we're looking pretty decent. Okay, so let's talk about that. Stochastic RSI, parallel, no big deal. Traditional RSI coming down, but also below 70, above 50. That's kind of a sweet spot, if you ask me. Same thing with money flow index, still fairly high compared to most coins. We take a look at MACD, diverging, but hasn't fully diverged yet. So these are all, once again, positive contributing factors. Again, they're not the kind of factors I'm like, oh my gosh, I am taking entry right now, ASAP. This is something I love to trade. But big picture, we have confidence here in this coin right now, and it's definitely looking very good. So I would not, be upset at all by any stretch in taking a long position right now. I feel like it's much more warranted. We can also see here as well, the price is kind of working itself into an ascending type of wedge pattern. There's maybe, bull pennant pattern, if you will. That's essentially what we're seeing here. While they're always crude drawings, and this is just kind of a random, squiggle on the chart, it is working itself into this ascending higher high, higher low pattern with parallel highs here if you can't count the candlestick closures. Again, a lot of different ways to look at it, but more positive than negative. There's nothing really here telling us it wants to turn around. Taking a look at the hourly though, well, this could be a different story. Let's see if this tells us anything different. Ichimoku Cloud, we're still in good shape here. However, the lagging span is within the price action for the last 5 hours. So you hypothetically should have taken profits by now. That's basically what it's telling you. Same thing as well with the conversion line and baseline. They're kind of getting too tight together, similar to Bollinger Bands when they get really compressed. You could very well see a push in either direction. Okay, the likelihood would make sense for the price to go down, just considering Bitcoin's pulling back a little bit to 49.5. But if we do take a look here at the fib levels, we can see this 0.5 fib level at about 72.3 is essentially a key level here. Okay, so because again, 0.5, 0.618, this is that quote unquote golden pocket. So there's a good little area there to have a consideration, or sorry, no, golden pocket's up here. But 0.5 to 0.618 is a really good support level in most cases. And if you can kind of break through that and break free from it, then you're more likely to continue progressing upwards. So again, this little area here can provide a resistance, but more likely to see us get that upper level sweep. Let's double check liquidity and see. We did already sweep that most recent level of liquidity. Small fair value gap has been filled. And if we take a quick peek at the Elliott Wave here, we can quickly summarize here that we're still looking for our highest point. Hypothetically, if we did hit our highest point, we're going to be finding an ABC pattern to the downside, but there's no guarantees on either of those. So we haven't confirmed our highest point, we haven't confirmed our lowest point yet. And that's all tentative until, well, we get some more data, right? So if right now we don't want to stress out and think about this being the top and the price going to pull back, but if it does, why don't we presume it's going to until it doesn't, right? Same thing with the ascending trend. We presume it's going to hold until it doesn't. And if we put those things together, we're going to be at a state of indecision. That's the best trade you can take right now. So to me right now, I just go ahead and hesitate and wait. Hurry up and wait, however you want. If you're a government employee, you can say hurry up and wait. If you're in the military, you can say military intelligence. Anyways, I'm going off topic. The point here is try not to overthink this here, folks. Okay. The truth is mostly bullish signs here, and we have no reason to kind of try to short into this. To me personally, it seems a little premature. So, are you premature? Are you mature? What are you? Comment below. Let me know. If you are having a great day, thanks again so much for watching. Appreciate it. Let us know as well. Comment below. Like, subscribe, follow. Make sure you check out Bitunix, Phenomenal Exchange. Link down below for these guys as well. And you can, if you use their link to register, you get significant rewards, but mainly no KYC or VPN required with these guys. They're fantastic, taking great care of our community. They're adding like 200 trading pairs at the end of the month, SEI being one of those. And they are also getting a trading competition going because we have a decent amount of members that use my link to register, and they're automatically eligible for that. I think it's a $10,000 prize pool. So cool stuff there, folks. Thanks again for watching. Hope you have a great rest of the day. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.